Hey everybody, I'm Clarissa,
Anthony,
and we are the Traveling Deuces.
who says, "Hey guys, we just did a install into the RV of a new toilet. It's the Thetford 2
It's a Thetford Aqua Magic Style 2.
Style 2. And some people ask about how is it being in the RV and maintenance and all that good stuff, and just like being in the house, sometimes you have to do some maintenance. So we had to bless you.
Thank you.
Yui or Chewy?
Chewy.
Okay, Yui. Thank you and hi Chewy. So we did an install on this toilet. You heard what she said, the Thetford 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's a Thetford. It's the Aqua Magic Style 2. With the slow close, and it's a hybrid, right?
Yeah. And it's like the porcelain, ceramic, whatever. So one of the things, we just really got away from that old plastic toilet that came in the RV. Once you use it and you start cleaning it, start looking like the bottom of a spaghetti bowl.
Yes.
And so we take care of our stuff. We clean it up. But sometimes you just can't remove all that. But I'm telling you, we did the install, and we're completely pleased with what we purchased.
Yeah.
We got a good deal at Camping World, and we're not getting paid from Thetford, Camping World, or anybody, but we just wanted to come on here and let you guys know, just parts of the upgrades and part of the maintenance, being in the RV, some of the things that you have to do. And
so we have to give this toilet 2 thumbs up.
I give it 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. But watch the video. We're gonna do it's gonna come up next, so we see you guys in the video.
Yeah, watch it to the end. I'm gonna tell you, the only thing about this toilet is where the pedals are to flush.
Oh yeah,
different places.
And
so it took a little time getting used to that. But again, watch the video, let us know, give us thumbs up, go ahead and do all the other stuff we ask you to do all the time.
Like, subscribe,
ring the bell so you get the
and watch so we can get our watch time up as well.
We'll see you in the video.
Deuces.
Peace. How you like the RV life? We're in here putting this Thetford what is this toilet in. We just got it, but we got it because it's a what's that, porcelain versus the plastic one. The plastic one, once once they get old or you put a chemical on it, and it looks like a spaghetti bowl. So we wanted to change it out and go with a porcelain. It's a nice toilet. It is the Aqua Magic, and it's a hybrid style ceramic. And I like the I'm gonna sit on it before I get it installed. How about that? I like the height of this sucker, so I feel comfortable sitting on the toilet. And once we get it installed, we'll sit on the toilet. But we're gonna get this installed today. Old towel or something put down on this floor when we're done. That's what that towel back there for. Put in the drain so you don't be a victim of smell. This old dirty one. I don't care how clean you are, you still dirty. When you start moving stuff out, you look and see like, God, all this mess back there. Old one out. Old one is out. Now it's time to take some stuff off of here and go in with the new one. Wait. That's where the water go in. That is, why is that on there?
The old one, new one. Old one.
Can I see it?
New one. You can take that off and use it. This is the hose.
I need some gloves.
You want some gloves?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you some.
Am I missing some light? The rubber gauge is smaller. That's the bidet, bidet. That's that. And that is water go in the bottom. How? That one got the water going. Oh, because the flush is down here. That's different.
It's different.
Yeah, look, not different, like, don't make a difference. Different. This one here, it's a little bit heavier
Yes.
than the other one.
It's porcelain, babe.
Yep. I think that's what that thing says. Ceramic and porcelain. Hey, you heard what I said? I said porcelain. Like, porcelain. That.
Get my new toilet on here. Get that light off, baby. Get the light off for a minute. Yeah. Yeah, you run some water in that thing, babe. You did good.
Yep.
This is our new toilet.
Oh, we gotta sing a song about the toilet.
I'm happy about it. Oh, babe, show them that slow close. Do that slow close for them, babe.
What? I don't think you talking about what you talking
Yeah.
Couple of installed things that's real simple, real easy. 2 screws on the bottom on the floor. You just unscrew those, put the new screws in, and tie it down. The toilet come with a little floor seal or washer. I would say a floor seal. Just all you got to do is put that in there and install it. The other one, I was a little nervous because the other one looked like it was bigger. Thing I like about this toilet already is that on the floorboard, space was a little bit more narrow than the other one we had. It was so bulky at the bottom and smaller at the top. But this one is smaller on the bottom and bigger on the top. And then we had enough room to put our mat down in there flush, without it kind of being pushed up on the end. We could never find one that fit in there perfect. But now everything fit in there perfect. The it's working. Toilet flush good.
Yes.
I tell you one thing that I noticed that I really do like is that when you fill your toilet up with water to flush, this bowl is so big that it actually gives you a good residential flush on it instead
Absolutely.
of putting a little bit of water in there. So that helps you in the long run with your black tank. I go back to what we said in the beginning, 2 thumbs up. What you got?
2 thumbs up. I love the soft close on it. I love that when you're flushing, it closes and it fills itself up. It has a little water in there itself, so you don't have to worry about trying to run and make sure that there's a little water left, before you leave the restroom. I do like that.
Yeah.
And I like that the bowl is porcelain because it's easy to clean.
Yeah.
But I give it 2 thumbs up. I mean, I really, it's been a while, and I really do.
Yeah, highly recommend it so far about us. Haven't seen a problem. I don't foresee there being a problem with it unless the thing just fall apart and break. But other than that, 2 thumbs up on that. Yes. Whatever Type 2 style 105.
No, it's a Hereford Aqua Magic style 2.
Yeah, that's what it is. And so, again, guys, go ahead on and hit that like, that subscribe, all that stuff we ask you to do, Deuces family. And we'll see you in the next video.
We out.
We out.
We out. We out.